Hello students. Now today I give you the extract based question of poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Now here this poem is in 4 extract. So we have taken the first extract, like two roads diverged in a yellow wood to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now the first question of this extract is, the composer of the above line is. So you have to write the name of the poet who composes these lines. So all of you know to who is writing the poem? Robert Frost. So the first answer of that line is Robert Frost. Now who is I? Who is I in the poem? So I refers to the poet himself, and you write the name of the poet, Robert Frost. Question number 3. Where did the roads diverge? Where did the road diverge? The answer is the road diverged in a yellow wood. Question number 4. The poet of the poem extract is. So same. Who is writing the poem? The poet of the poem extract is Robert Frost. Now go to the second extract. Then took the other just as fair to had worn them really out the same. So the first question of that extract is, what does other refer to? So here the word others here refers to the other road which has been less used by the people. Question number 2. What was similar about the two roads? So answer is, the similarity between the two roads was they both are covered with yellow dry leaves, making the forest appear yellow. Question number 3. The poet decided to take the other road. Which road he was taken? Answer is, the other road was as grassy and fair as the first one. Grassy and fair. Now go to the third paragraph. Yes, in third extract the lines are, and both that morning equal lay to, I doubted if I should ever come back. So here the first question is, who is I here? So the same answer is that the poet. Second question, which thing had the poet kept for another day? To the road to travel. The road to travel he should kept for the another day. What is doubted in poet's mind? He doubted if ever he should come back from the path he had taken. If ever he should come back. This is the answer of third question. Question number 4. Was the poet happy taking the other road? So answer is yes, the poet was happy with his decision. Now here you go to the next extract. Now next, fourth extract is, I shall be telling this with a sigh to, and the has and that has made all the differences. Now the first question of that extract is, what do you think the poet will tell with a sigh? So the answer is, the poet says that perhaps in future he would be telling his story to others with a sigh. He would tell them that once he was faced with a choice of roads, he had taken the road which had been less used, and that choice had made all the differences in his life. Now that must have been responsible for his problems and sufferings. Question number 2. What do the roads signify here in the above lines? Now the roads in the above lines from the poem, the road not had taken, signify the challenges, opportunities and difficulties in life. So answer of that question is, the road in the above lines signify the challenges, opportunities and difficulties in life. Now question number 3. Name the poem and the poet. So all of you know the name of the poem. The poem name is The Road Not Taken, and the poet is Robert Frost. Now fourth, the poet took the road which is. The poet took the road which is less traveled, So students, these are the extract based question of your poem, The Road Not Taken. So you have to write all the questions and their answers. So here if you see the page of this question, you tap your documentary Study Yourself below your video to get this page. Okay, thank you.